Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the settings on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the crown button, the middle button. So keep holding the button until the settings page appears on the screen. Now find the option called Customize and tap on it to enter. Then find the option called Watch Face and tap on it. And now you should see the watch face menu, and here we have the list of watch faces we can choose from. Oh, my bad. Let's open it again. So basically how it works is you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping up and down on the screen. Once you find the watch face you like, you can either tap on it or press the middle button to confirm. Once it says done, the watch face should be applied, and we can check it by going back to home screen by pressing the lower button. And as you can see, the watch face changed. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.